What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how I do a high taper fade. Stick around for the final results. And by the way, I'm not using enhancements on this client right here, but let's just jump right into it. The first thing I do, I grab my Gold FX Beveless Pros and start to make my first initial guideline. A lot of barbers, you know what I'm saying, they always make the first initial guideline with their trimmers or whatever, but you know what I'm saying, it's how you start the haircut don't really matter because you're going to come at the bottom and shave and clean that part up. But yeah, I make that first initial guideline real neat so I can proceed to the next step. Then I grab my Ultra Octane, slap my 1.5 blade on, and go up to his parietal ridge. That's the fading area I want to stop at, right there at the parietal ridge. So I'm just actually cleaning that area up so I can just have more room to fade. And there will be a lot of details in this video. Still have my Ultra Octane, I slapped a 0A on, and I'm just only going up a 1/2 inch because I just want to use that area to start my fade process because you know what I'm saying, the first initial guideline I did with the blade closed. The second initial guideline I grab my OA and start to go up an inch because you know what I'm saying, I don't want to push the fade up. I just want to, you know what I'm saying, maximize the fade and compress it because I want everything to blend as one. So once you start an initial guideline off, man, make sure that guideline is neat. I mean, by looking at the video, it looks like the line is already gone, but with the naked eye, you can actually see the line being there. You know how I told you I put the first initial guideline in with the clippers closed? Now, just imagine you just close your clipper and open it up 1 notch. That's all I did. I just opened it up 1 notch and start to feather at the first initial guideline that I put in. So as you notice, I'm using my corners to, you know what I'm saying, maximize the blend because I just want everything just to fall in place. And I just actually close them to, you know what I'm saying, just keep that fade flowing. But this is the part where a lot of barbers always say, adjust if needed. And this is the most very important part right there, adjustment. Now I have my one Beveless guard on my Beveless Pro Gold. The only thing I'm doing right now, I just have my, as you notice, I have my guard open. And I'm actually feathering out that 1.5 from when I went up to debug the hair earlier. In other words, make a long story short, I'm just actually feathering out the blend because I'm in my fade down process. But you can see the fade coming together and everything. And you know what I'm saying, big shout out to my guy that's in the chair. So let's get it. Now I slap my half guard on. The only thing I'm doing right now is just actually like feathering out with my corners. And YouTube, to be honest with you, I usually use my 0 on my masters to feather that line out. But since I'm just actually using Beveless today, I just want to see how it feels to do it. Because I want to change up everything because every time I cut hair, I always run to my masters. But now I just want to, you know what I'm saying, just try my Beveless Pro. Just see, would this right here make a difference, but the haircut will still be the same at the end of the video. You feel me? No guards, just straight blade. Now I just took my half guard off. Now I just have the clippers wide open because I want to start to lighten up where I had feather out with the half guard. Remember to always use your corner, man. I'm not gonna say if needed because you're gonna always need your corners because there are gonna be hairs that don't wanna come out when you cut, man. So your corner should be your best friend. So make sure you use your corner. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on repeating it, but can you see that fade already coming into place, man? Okay guys, pretty much you know this side is just like the other side. So the only thing I'm doing right now is just speed the process up till we get to the edge up. Let's go. Already, y'all already know this is the very most important part of the haircut. The way I do my edge up. I start from the middle and work my way to the right, which is his left shoulder. In case you guys want to know, because I used to be confused back in the day when I heard barbers say I'm gonna work to the right or to the left, but it's his left shoulder that I'm working my way to. But with that being said, make sure you edge up is, you know what I'm saying, crispy, man. Always take your time. Don't be in no rush because the edge up is the very most important part of the whole haircut process. The fade can look like bull crap, but the edge up, man, you got to put that edge up on there. And you already see the more I go over it, the more crispier it get. So yeah, with that being said, let's just enjoy this ASMR. Let's go. Alright YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. He didn't ask for enhancement, he didn't want enhancement. He do enhancements, but you know, he just wanted to just go regular. But with that being said, this is the cut. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It's your TikTok barber, and I'm out. Peace.